Good morning, children. Today we will do reported speech part 2, means rest of the worksheets of reported speech. Till worksheet 6 we have already done, and now from worksheet 7 to last worksheet we will do today. Let's start. Worksheet 7. What is in worksheet 7, children? Read the following dialogues taken from the subunit A Handful of Almonds of the unit Achievers in the MCB. Then complete the summary given below. You can see that there are some sentences given in a box. Let's see. The teacher asked Nani. This is Nani Palkiwala. You have read about him in your reader book. Are you sure you want to do it? Said the teacher. Nani said, I want to try. First of all, I am reading this so that you can do the exercise. Papa, I have given my name for the elocution competition, announced Nani to him, to his father in the evening. What are you going to speak on? Said his father. I don't know, as it is going to be extempore, said Nani. Okay, now you have to change these sentences into indirect speech. Let's do it. I'm giving you the answer. The teacher asked Nani if he was sure to do it, to which Nani replied that he wanted to try. In the evening, Nani told his father that he had given his name for the elocution competition. His father inquired what he was going to speak on. Nani answered that he didn't know, as it was going to be extempore. Okay, let's do worksheet 8. Again, here one paragraph is given, dialogue is given, some conversation, and you have to change these conversation into indirect speech. Let's read the question first. Imagine your brother Rohan and his friend had gone to a shopping complex when Pratik got kidnapped. Later, the police interviewed Rohan, and based on the questions he had given them, they were able to nab the kidnappers and save Pratik. Okay, this is the conversation between Rohan and the police inspector. Let's see what is in this conversation. Police inspector says, where were you when Pratik was kidnapped? Rohan, I'm very fond of ice cream, so I had gone to get some more of it for both of us. Police inspector, did you see the kidnappers? Rohan, I saw two persons. I think there were only two of them. You can see, children, that this is the whole conversation, and how you can do it. You have to write this in a form of letter. Okay. Dear mom and dad, guess what? Pratik has been saved and the kidnappers have been nabbed. All because of Rohan's courage and alertness. Just yesterday, the police interviewed Rohan. The first thing the police inspector asked him was, where? Okay, children. Now I am giving you the answer. Where he was when Pratik had been kidnapped. Rohan replied that he was very fond of ice cream, so he had gone to get some more of it. You can see that all these sentences are indirect speech of these sentences which is given in the conversation. Police inspector inquired if he had seen the kidnappers. Rohan told that he had seen two persons. Police inspector asked what they had looked like. Rohan elaborated that one of them was tall and the other was of average height. Police inspector inquired if he had noticed the vehicle they had taken Pratik in. Rohan answered that it was a white Maruti car. Police inspector thanked Rohan for he had been a great help. Okay children, this exercise is already completed. Now worksheet 9. Let's see what is in this. Read the following sentences and note the use of commas, inverted commas and capital letters. You can see here some sentences are given as an example. And in this way you have to rewrite the given sentences. Let's start. Listen it very carefully because I will tell you the punctuation mark. Inverted comma start, H will be capital. How do I solve this problem? Question mark, inverted comma close. Nikhil said to his teacher. Second number, T will be capital. The tourist exclaimed, comma, inverted comma start. What a beautiful monument! Exclamation mark, inverted comma close. 3 number, inverted comma start, I will be capital. If you have the time, comma, inverted comma close. Sheila said, again comma, and inverted comma start. Will you help me with my homework? Question mark, inverted comma close. Next one, 4 number, inverted comma start. I am very worried about my father's health, comma, inverted comma close, said Karina, full stop. 5 number, W will be capital, inverted comma start. Where can I get some pastries? Then question mark, inverted comma close, ask the man at the counter, full stop. 6 number, F, S will be capital. She asked, comma, inverted comma start, is that me? Question mark, inverted comma close, and started to cry, full stop. Then 7 number means G, M will be capital. My dear sister whispered, comma, inverted comma start, Sasha, comma, if you don't give me your chocolate, comma, I will let out your secret, full stop, inverted comma close. 8 number means H, W will be capital again, inverted comma start, where are my shoes? Question mark, and then inverted comma close. Fatima said to her brother, comma, inverted comma start, I cannot find them anywhere. Full stop, inverted comma close. Okay, hope you understood this exercise. Now we will do it yourself. This is a conversation given, conversation between Ruhi and Meena. You can see it. And what you have to do, you have to write these sentences into indirect speech. Let's do. Ruhi told Meena that there was an exciting magic show in the town. Meena asked her, you can see here, second line. Meena asked her where it was being held. Ruhi told her it was at the plaza and further asked if she would like to go for it. You can see this line, Ruhi at plaza, would you like to go for it? The sentence will be further asked if she would like to go for it. Then Again in the blank sentence, if anyone was going to see it, Meena asked Ruhi. If anyone was going to see it. Ruhi told her that Malini and she were going to see it the next day. Meena asked if she could join them. Ruhi was really glad to receive this idea. She insisted that she must join them. She was sure that they would have fun. Meena asked her who would get the tickets. Ruhi said she would ask her brother to arrange them. Okay, children? There are 7 blanks and 7 sentences. Listen it carefully and then write down. One dialogue writing is given also. Let's do it. You have to complete the conversation between mother and son. You can complete your dialogue in any way. It is also given in the question that complete it in any suitable way. But one way I am saying to you. Mother, why don't you clean your room? Son, leave it, mom. I feel comfortable this way. Mother, but how can you find anything in this mess? Why have you kept your shoes here? Son, I have kept my shoes here because I am about to go for a jog. Mother, why have you kept your bag here? Son, I need that too. I am doing my homework. Mother, make sure you put the bag in the right place when you leave the room. Son, okay mom, let me go. I am getting late now. Mother, I am going to keep these things now. Son, please don't touch anything, otherwise I won't be able to find my things. This was the conversation, children. Dialogue writing. You can do it anyway. Okay, hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.